Ajit Pawar, who held a meeting at the Circuit House in Pune with Pimpri Chinchwad representatives. This is a meeting that lasted for about 2 hours. Radhika, take us through what really was the agenda when it comes to this meeting, considering that 4 of their leaders of Pimpri Chinchwad just yesterday, switched camps.
Ajit Pawar was certainly in a hurdle as far as, the NCP issues are concerned. Not just 4, but 20, more than 20 former corporators and former mayors and former unit heads of Pimpri Chinchwad switched sides to Sharad Pawar faction yesterday, which is when Ajit Pawar decided to take these meetings, an important meeting taken today, in order to ensure that his flock stays together. Of course, there is disgruntlement within NCP. They feel they've been sidelined, especially after Lok Sabha polls. Ajit Pawar NCP managed to win just 1 out of 4. The strike rate was quite abysmal, which is why, cadres have been demotivated ever since the results came out, and they feel they would want to go to the winning side, which at this point looks like the Sharad Pawar side. So therefore, they want to jump ships and go back to where they came from. Yesterday, of course, Sharad Pawar welcomed many of these leaders in high spirits, held discussions with them. And in the days going forward, we could see more churns happening with maybe top leaders from NCP, Ajit Pawar also perhaps joining hands with Sharad Pawar. Chhagan Bhujbal, in fact, had a meeting with Sharad Pawar, although he claimed it was on reservation. He'd been unhappy over him not securing a ticket in Lok Sabha polls, him not winning a Rajya Sabha seat, which is why there are murmurs doing the rounds that he could be one of the tall leaders who may go back to Sharad Pawar camp. So many churns and changes expected, which is why now Ajit Pawar is in a huddle. He is meeting many of his party leaders, this time in Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune, but he will be holding several more such meetings to ensure that his cadre, his workers are not demotivated and that their issues are addressed and that they do not switch sides.